people, all the supervisor to inform all the stuff. The people they can read Arabic, they will understand what this voice message I send it already. The people who cannot read Arabic, my message they will understand it. Now this our government they make for 2 weeks to check for the all Ajnabi people. Take care. No one go outside without Iqama. Some people also with Iqama they take him for 2 weeks. Anyone he want to go to market or to go to pray to go to pray in the masjid or go to make shopping or anything, be careful. Don't go outside without your Iqama. And take care. When you go outside, take your dress without shirt, without cut, without anything like this. Normal dress in the street. Or you want to go in any restaurant or in market or any place. For next 2 weeks will be difficult for all Ajnabi people. Take care.